There are several things that you should do before you even go on your next gambling trip. You should consider your financial situation and set your total playing bankroll for that trip. Then when you go to the table, you'll need to set your session bankroll for each session. You will need to determine your minimum bet, your maximum bet, your neutral bet, and your betting unit. You also, by this time, should have set realistic and reasonable goals for your trip for each session. You must also understand the difference between goals and rules and which ones are most important. You should record in your journal the results of each session. If you play for 4 hours and you win $300, you write that in your journal when you get back to your room. You need to keep track of your wins and losses per day or per session, not every time you change tables or not every hand, but you need to track how your trip is going because you will want to make adjustments based on your results. Think of your journal as your blackjack GPS. It will guide you along the way to your final destination.